In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit form fields in HubSpot. We'll walk through the full process, from finding the right form to adding, removing, and rearranging fields, all the way to customizing the look and feel. By the end, you'll be comfortable making changes without worrying about breaking anything. First, log into your HubSpot account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look over to the left-hand toolbar. Find the marketing icon, hover over it, and then click on Forms. This will take you to a list of all the forms in your account. Take a moment to scan through and find the specific form you want to edit. When you see it, click on the form name to open it. You'll now see a general preview of your form, showing how it currently looks. In the top right corner of this screen, there's an option labeled Edit Form. Go ahead and click that to open the full form editor. Inside the editor, you'll see a left panel with fields and settings, and your form preview on the right. Let's start with adding form fields. In the left panel, you'll notice a section with frequently used properties, such as name, email, and other common options. To add any of these to your form, simply click and drag the field from the left panel and drop it into the position you want on the form. You'll see it appear immediately. If you want to remove a field, move your mouse over the field in the form preview. A small toolbar will appear, including a trash can icon. Click the trash icon, and that field will be removed from the form. Don't worry if you make a mistake. You can always add it back from the left panel. To rearrange fields, hover over the field you want to move and find the dotted lines on the left side of that field. Click and drag those dotted lines up or down to change the order of your fields. Release the mouse when the field is in the right place. You can also create columns to display fields side by side. Click and drag a field to the left or right of another field. When you see a highlighted area indicating a new column, drop the field there. This is useful for shorter inputs like first and last name. To edit the details of any field, click directly on the field in the preview. The left panel will update to show its settings. Here, you can change the field label, add help text to guide users, set placeholder text inside the field, and even define a default value if you want something to appear automatically. If you'd like to adjust how the form looks overall, go to the Style and Preview area in the left panel. Open the Style section, and you'll see options for form width, font size, colors, and more. Scroll through these settings and make changes until the form matches your brand and is easy to read. When you're finished making all your changes, look to the top right corner of the editor and click Save or Update. This will apply your changes to the live form wherever it's embedded. And that's it. You've successfully edited your form fields in HubSpot, adjusted their layout, customized their details, and updated the overall style.